So my doctor just called and told me that I'm colorblind. That news just came right out of the purple. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Danator channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing some sound comparison tests with the Cherry Bomb Turbo and the Cherry Bomb Salute. Now looking on the outside, they look very similar, but they're actually two very differently constructed mufflers. Let's take a closer look. Alright, tail of the tape. Let's start with the Turbo. The Turbo is an aluminized steel body that is mechanically locked together. It is not welded. It is a reverse flow design, which means it's got multiple pipes and the air reverses inside the muffler and then exits out of the outlet pipe. It's a reversible design, so you can put this muffler on your car in either direction and it doesn't matter. The Turbo is advertised as a higher flow rate than stock, which it flows at 290 cubic feet per minute. This is perfect for street application, passenger cars, or any hot rod that you want to have just a little bit louder exhaust tone. The Turbo is ranked at sound level 2, 79 decibels at 2000 RPM. The price point for the Turbo is around $25. Alright, moving on to the Salute. The Salute is a 409 stainless steel body. It is 100% welded, and it's different from the Turbo in that it's got one perforated core tube going straight through the muffler, which is packed with a stainless steel wool wrap and roving fibers, whatever that is.
The fibers in this muffler can only be described as roving.
And like the Turbo, the Salute is a reversible design, which it doesn't matter which way you put the muffler on your car, it'll still function. And it's advertised as a high flow muffler, which makes sense because it is just a straight through pipe with very little restriction. Now there is no flow rate data on the website for the Salute, so I can only go off of similar mufflers like the Glass Pack or the Vortex. The Glass Pack rated at 510 CFM and the Vortex rated at 578. I can only guess, but I'm just assuming that the Salute would be somewhere in the middle between the Glass Pack and the Vortex on the flow rate. The Salute is also rated for street, passenger cars, light trucks, etc. Again, with the Salute, there's no data on the Cherry Bomb website about its sound level, so I can only compare it to similar mufflers on their website, again with the Glass Pack and the Vortex. Glass Pack was ranked at sound level 4, which was 85 decibels at 2000 RPM, and the Vortex at sound level 6, 87 decibels at 2000 RPM. So again, I can only speculate that the Salute would be somewhere in the middle, maybe a sound level 3 to 5 decibels between 80 and 87. And its price point is around $33 to $35 and up. Alright, well that's enough of me yapping. Let's put these two budget mufflers to the test and compare how they sound. Enjoy the video. have it. That's the sound comparison between the Cherry Bomb Turbo and the Cherry Bomb Salute. Both of these mufflers produce a great sound. However, the Salute does have just a little less drone in the interior than the Turbo does. If I'm going to pick between the two to go on my vehicle, I'm going to go with the Salute. I like the 100% welded stainless steel construction. I like the high flow of the straight through design, and I do like the more aggressive sound. And again, both of these mufflers are great for the budget. So if you're looking for a little more aggressive sound, better than stock muffler, Turbo would be a great choice. But if you're looking for a little more aggressive sound and a little higher quality construction, then the Salute is a great choice. Alright, well that's going to do it for today's video. Be sure and check out that Cherry Bomb playlist below. I've purchased all 7 of Cherry Bomb's mufflers and compared them on my truck for your viewing pleasure. Check out my channel. I've got all kinds of videos, vlogs, repair videos, lots of fun on the channel. So if you like what you see and it earns your subscription, I greatly appreciate it. Be sure and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I post new content. You'll want to stay tuned to the channel. I've got plenty more muffler videos to come. Plus I've got some exciting projects that I'm going to be working on here in the near future. Be sure to check out the merch link below. Get you a Daninator t-shirt, look cool, help the channel grow. Any purchase there is greatly appreciated. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. Be sure and hit that like switch on your way out. See you next time. America.